Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to install the eBay sales channel plugin for your Shopify store online. So this way you guys will be able to integrate all of the features that you would get with eBay's platform over at your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So throughout this video, I'm going to walk you guys through the steps on how to install it, integrate it, and as well as how to use it. So the idea here is once you're logged into your Shopify store manager as an administrator. So the URL goes admin.shopify.com. We're looking to get access to the Shopify App Store. And there are two ways to get there. Number one being clicking on the search bar right here and simply typing the application that we want to install. So in this case, it's eBay. And if it doesn't show up right away, that's where the second method comes in. Because this way we're able to refine our search results a little bit more and possibly find the app that we're looking for. So you want to click on Apps and Sales Channel, and from here, I want to click on Shopify App Store. And it's going to redirect you to this whole new page showing you a list of all of the compatible applications that can integrate with your Shopify store. So here, I want to click on eBay Sales Channel, or simply type eBay like so. Hit enter, and in a moment here, you'll see right away that there's an option for integration. So it's this option right here, eBay integration and sync by DPL. So this is what we're looking for. So you guys need to click on this, or you can choose this one. But anyway, all of them are third-party apps, but they should provide the same function and allow you to integrate eBay's catalog over to your store. So simply click on it, click on install, and basically let Shopify work its magic to integrate this plugin with our store. So from here, just click on install, wait for it to load. All right, so you can see here that this one actually is a paid plan, but it's pretty much the same deal. Once you guys sign up for an account over at eBay, or assuming you have one already, you don't need to pay for the plan for that. So here it is, and you guys should be done. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.